everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you our new card making kit for June. It's Tranquility. This is how it comes packaged, and there's so much in there. Let me take you through what is in the kit. So this kit is available from the 5th of June. Okay, so you get this sheet in here. If you open this up, you have got 6 beautiful card ideas to get you started. In the pack is a set of our creative cuts. These are our regular creative cuts. This is just some beautiful satin ribbon in this beautiful lilac colour. This is also available separately this month. Little mini cut apart sheet which works with our essential die number 6. A packet of our square card and envelopes. Some beautiful shiny silver bling. And the collection pack which has got 32 sheets in it. Let me show you the cards. So this is the first card. So this round element here, I haven't used the die or anything. I have literally put my roll of tape on the table and I've traced around it. I then just used a distress tool to mess up the edges because I can't cut circles for the life of me. So that is just a little tip for you. I've also just raised it up with some foam mounts, but everything else is in your kit. Just need adhesives. This one is really cute. So this is from the little circle cut apart. So it is just a 1.5 inch circle. If you don't have our dies, if you've got a 1.5 inch circle punch, you can use that, or just one of our smaller dies. Hello, you're amazing. Just a beautiful sweet card to give a friend. Wonderful. Birthday wishes. Love the wings behind the little dress forms. And happy birthday. So just sweet cards to put in your stash. I just want to show you, if you purchase this set, this piece of paper here is the exact size of this. So if I measure from here to here on the paper you get, that is the size I have used on this card. Okay, so you'll know if I measure from here to here, that is the length, that is the width, and that you can make it identical as I've made mine. So card making kits are just $27. They are great value, everything you need. All you have to do is add some adhesive, get some scissors and a ruler, and away you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye.